Have a good day, Professor Dr. Gunnankar. I have chosen Constructivism, that is the social constructivism in the classroom to create a better teaching and learning process. This is the table of contents that I would like to share about social constructivism. They are Introduction, 5 principles of effective social constructivist pedagogy, role of constructivism-based learning in improving English learning outcomes for primary school students, learning strategies of social constructivism, step-by-step to conduct social constructivism in English lesson, benefits of social constructivism, and conclusion. Introduction. The effectiveness of social constructivism on students' academic achievement is based on the fact that students provide the opportunity to discover and explore information actively by constructing knowledge from their prior knowledge in a social activity. The constructivist teaching method gives chance for students to use their innate ability and critical thinking to gain information, ideas, and values to express themselves during the teaching and learning process. Students learn best when they can relate what they learn in the classroom to the immediate environment and create meaning from different experiences. 5 principles of effective social constructivist pedagogy. First, knowledge construction rather than knowledge transmission. Second, new learning builds on prior knowledge. Third, learning is enhanced by social interaction. Fourth, meaningful learning develops through authentic tasks. Fifth, assessment of learning is embedded in the learning process. Role of constructivism-based learning in improving English learning outcomes for primary school students. Students provide the opportunities to discover, explore, and gain knowledge actively, helping in increasing student academic achievement. Learning strategies of social constructivism. A combination of the following learning strategies can be used by the teachers to create a constructivist learning environment. For example, use of multimedia or teaching aids, skateboarding, case studies, role-playing, group discussions or group activities, probing questions, storytelling, and project-based learning. An example of step-by-step to conduct social constructivism in English lessons. Topic: writing about my favorite transport. Class, Year 4. Learning strategies. Use of multimedia, project-based learning through group discussions, and probing questions. The 6 phases in the learning process, they are situation, bridge, grouping, questions, exhibit, and reflections. Situation. The teacher organizes information by showing a short film about transports to engage the interest of students. Bridge. The teacher presented some information about transports that did not fit with students' prior knowledge. Grouping. The students were then divided into groups to explore their favorite transport presented in their perspective. The students with different language proficiency were included in a group to help each other in the aspect of writing sentences and vocabulary to resolve the discrepancy. reflections. The role of the teacher was a resource person and a facilitator. Exhibit. The students were expected to exhibit or explain their understandings regarding the topic writing about their favorite transport to other students. Reflections. Students presented their reflections on the entire process of building an understanding of the topic. Video about Year 4 students' work in Social Constructivism English lesson. Another example, pictures about Year 3 students' work in Social Constructivism English lesson. The same strategies were used for the Year 4 students which I had presented. For Year 3, I had added scaffolding. I had given vocabulary about pizza for students in their writing about my favorite food. Benefits of social constructivism. Children learn more and enjoy learning more when they are actively involved rather than passive listeners. Education works best when it concentrates on thinking and understanding rather than on rote memorization. Constructivism gives students ownership of what they learn, since learning is based on students' questions and explorations, and often the students have a hand in designing the assessments as well. By grounding learning activities in an authentic, real-world context, constructivism stimulates and engages students. Constructivism promotes social and communication skills by creating a classroom environment that emphasizes collaboration and the exchange of ideas. Conclusion. The constructivist teaching method has given the opportunities for students to equip themselves with 21st century skills. They are to be good problem solvers and good collaborators for the 21st century world. Teachers must act as facilitators to inspire students passionate about learning and equip them with 21st century skills which are collaboration, communication, creativity, and critical thinking skills to prepare them for increasingly sophisticated life and work environments in the 21st century world. Thank you.